Imagine a T-Rex trying to text its buddy about the best fern buffet in town, only to realize it has tiny arms and no smartphone. While we might never crack the code on dinosaur texting, recent discoveries are revealing how these prehistoric giants communicated. From roaring announcements to colorful displays, get ready to dive into the wild world of dino dialogue. The sounds of silence, what we know so far. For decades, paleontologists believed that dinosaurs primarily communicated through visual cues and body language. The absence of direct evidence of vocalization led to the assumption that, like some modern reptiles, dinosaurs were relatively silent. However, a groundbreaking study published in Nature revealed structures in certain dinosaur skulls resembling vocal organs found in birds. This discovery suggests that dinosaurs, particularly theropods, the group that includes T-Rex and Velociraptor, may have been capable of producing complex sounds. Imagine the chilling effect of a distant T-Rex call echoing through the prehistoric woods. Researchers are now examining how these sound-producing structures might have functioned. Just as modern birds utilize a syringe to produce a range of calls from cheerful chirps to complex songs, dinosaurs could have had their own vocal repertoire, perhaps even their version of a rock concert. The roar versus the chirp, debunking myths. When we think of dinosaur communication, it's easy to assume they roared like the legendary beasts depicted in movies. However, recent studies suggest that their vocalizations might have been more varied and nuanced. Research into the vocalization of modern birds indicates that communication can be quite sophisticated, involving a series of calls, alarm signals, and even songs. For instance, the Velociraptor, known for its sharp claws and intelligence, might have used a combination of squawks and clicks to communicate with its pack. In a recent Journal of Paleontology article, scientists speculate that these sounds could have served various purposes, including coordinating group hunts or warning others of approaching danger. So instead of a terrifying roar, picture a velociraptor sending out a series of sharp chit-chit-chits while stalking its prey. Much less Hollywood, but definitely more plausible. Bone structure and vocalization, a match made in prehistory. One of the most exciting avenues of research involves the study of dinosaur skulls and their internal structures. A team of paleontologists utilized advanced imaging techniques, including CT scans, to examine the skulls of hadrosaurs, the duck-billed dinosaurs. These scans revealed elaborate nasal passages that likely allowed these dinosaurs to produce a variety of vocalizations. The hadrosaur's nasal structure is reminiscent of a musical instrument, allowing for resonance and amplification of sound. This is akin to how a trumpet works. Imagine a group of hadrosaurs each taking turns to produce a low, resonant honk, creating a prehistoric symphony in the swamps. Such vocalizations could have played a significant role in mating displays, territory establishment, or social interaction. Just think of the dino karaoke night these creatures might have enjoyed. Colorful displays. The role of visual signals. While sounds are crucial for communication, visual displays can't be overlooked. Recent studies indicate that many dinosaurs utilize colorful features and physical displays to convey messages. The vibrant plates of the Stegosaurus or the elaborate frills of the Ceratosaurus might not just have been for show. They could have played a pivotal role in social interaction. For instance, paleontologists theorize that the colors and patterns on these plates could have been used to attract mates or intimidate rivals. Imagine a Stegosaurus displaying its colorful plates in a courtship dance, much like how peacocks spread their feathers to impress potential mates. This suggests that visual signals were a significant part of the communication toolkit for many dinosaur species, enhancing their ability to interact socially. Social structures, communicating in groups. Social behavior in dinosaurs provides clues to their communication methods. Evidence suggests that many species lived in herds, requiring some form of interaction to maintain social bonds. Just like in today's animal groups, it's likely they use vocalizations, physical displays, and even scent to convey information. Fossil evidence of communal nesting sites indicates that some dinosaurs, like the Maiasaura, may have communicated care and cooperation, much like modern birds caring for their young. Imagine a bustling nursery filled with hatchling dinosaurs, each one chirping and squeaking to get the attention of their parents. The social dynamics in these herds likely revolved around intricate communication strategies, enabling them to coordinate foraging, defend against predators, and nurture their young effectively. The evidence in fossils, what they're telling us. Fossils are like time capsules, preserving information about life millions of years ago. Recent advancements in technology, such as CT scanning and 3D imaging, have allowed scientists to study the internal structures of dinosaur skulls, revealing potential vocalization capabilities. The discovery of hollow nasal passages in certain species, similar to those in modern birds, suggests they could have produced complex sounds. A fascinating case study involves the study of the skull of the theropod dinosaur Megaraptor. Researchers found evidence of a unique cranial structure that likely allowed it to produce low-frequency sounds, possibly for long-distance communication. This finding opens new doors to understanding how these creatures might have interacted over vast distances, much like modern elephants that communicate using low-frequency rumbles inaudible to the human ear. Beyond sounds, the scent of communication. Imagine trying to communicate without saying a word, only using your smell. While it sounds like something from a bad romance movie, some dinosaurs may have relied on scent to convey messages. Recent studies show that many reptiles and birds use pheromones for mating signals. It's plausible that dinosaurs did the same, leaving behind scents to attract mates or mark territory. For instance, the concept of scent marking is prevalent in the animal kingdom today, with many species using scent to establish territory or signal reproductive readiness. It's not hard to imagine a male dinosaur, much like a modern-day lion, marking its territory with scent to ward off rivals and attract potential mates. Such olfactory communication could have been a vital component of their social interactions. Modern comparisons. Birds as our guides. Modern birds provide a fascinating glimpse into dinosaur communication. Scientists often study bird calls, mating dances, and social behaviors to infer how their ancient relatives might have communicated. For instance, the intricate courtship displays of the bowerbird could mirror how dinosaurs showcased themselves to attract partners. Birds are considered the closest living relatives of dinosaurs, making them a valuable point of reference. For example, the complex vocalizations of songbirds involve various calls used for different purposes: feeding, mating, warning of predators, and even establishing social hierarchies. By examining the behaviors and communication methods of modern birds, paleontologists can better understand the possible social dynamics of dinosaurs and how they might have interacted with each other. The future of dino-linguistics. New technologies on the horizon. As technology advances, so does our understanding of dinosaur communication. Tools like artificial intelligence and machine learning are now being used to analyze sound patterns in modern birds, potentially shedding light on how dinosaurs might have communicated. Imagine a world where scientists could decode the language of dinosaurs. Researchers are already working on software that analyzes bird calls, looking for patterns that could indicate specific meanings or context. Applying this technology to dinosaur sounds, once they are identified, could lead to groundbreaking insights. While we might not get a direct translation of a T-Rex's thoughts, we're inching closer to understanding their social dynamics. The prospect of dino-linguistics adds a whole new layer to paleontology. A language lost to time. While we may never fully understand the intricacies of dinosaur communication, new discoveries continually reshape our understanding. The evolution of their vocalizations, visual displays, and social structures points to a rich tapestry of communication far beyond mere roars. From complex sounds and colorful displays to scent marking and social interactions, dinosaurs likely had a multifaceted way of interacting with each other. So the next time you hear about dinosaurs, remember they might have had a whole lot to say, just not in a way that could ever make it into a human conversation. As we continue to explore the world of paleontology, who knows what new discoveries await us? The possibility of uncovering a dino dictionary that decodes their interactions adds an exciting dimension to our understanding of these magnificent creatures. Thanks for joining us on this prehistoric journey. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets of how dinosaurs communicated, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more dino delights and fascinating facts. Remember, whether they roared or chirped, there's always more to explore in the world of the past.